We're hearing more and more about K-beauty. From K-pop idols to Hollywood stars, celebrities around the globe, they're touting the K-beauty trend. Kim Kardashian, Hailey Bieber among them, incorporating Korean beauty products into their skincare routines. So what makes these products and treatments so popular? Joining us right now with the latest in K-beauty, Dr. Lanna Cheuck. She's an aesthetic physician, a prominent figure in the industry. Nice to have you on Good Day New York.
It's the first look, and as we know, K-beauty has been all over TikTok and Instagram, but
yes.
I'm actually giving you things that you may not have seen before as a first look.
Okay, let's do it.
First thing I'm going to show you is going to be this, what we call like tox in a bottle, which is amazing because it's the light chain peptide. It's called LC REBO. It's from BioPlus, and what it does is it has all these peptides that you don't actually need to inject into your face, but you actually put it on topically. And it's IGF, EGF, it's all the growth factors. Like.
So what is it supposed to do, Doc?
It helps you with your pores. It's almost like skin tox.
First of all, your pores are amazing.
So are yours.
Thank you.
You look beautiful.
I need to do some K-beauty. Okay.
I do all the things, yeah.
Can you get this here?
So it just, yeah, it's actually, I met with manufacturers. It's going to be distributed here in the U.S.
Wow.
So really exciting.
Check
Tox
out
in a bottle.
Yeah, we're going to check your website. What else can we get?